How to fix update KB5055523 failed to install in Windows 11 24H. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the issue. First thing first, install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Here you find 3 files, one for ARM64 based systems, one for x64 based systems, and this is for Microsoft Server operating system. Check your system type, click on Start, click on Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on About. Here is system type, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. This file is compatible for my computer. Check yours in the same way and click on Download. Click on both the links one by one. Let the files download. Once downloading is completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads from the navigation pane. Right click on KB5055523. Select Open. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Yes. The package will be copied to Windows Update cache. Then you will have to restart your computer. After a couple of restarts, the Windows update will be installed. If this method doesn't work, modify services. Click on Search, type Services. Click on Services. Right click on App Readiness. Select Properties. A startup type must be automatic. If it is not automatic, click on this drop down and select Automatic and click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on App Readiness, select Restart. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Start. Select Apply, select OK. Right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service, select Restart. Then look for cryptographic services. This one. Right click on this service, select Properties in the same way. Change the startup type to Automatic if it is not automatic. And click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on the cryptographic services and select Restart. Click on Yes. Then move down to Windows Update. This service. Right click on this service, select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic if it is not. And click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on Apply, click on OK. Close the services and try to install the update. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Windows icon from the taskbar. Select Settings. Go to System. Click on Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. Select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Permission to run Windows Update Automated Diagnostic. Click on Yes. Windows Update Diagnostic failed to run. In this case, you will need to talk to an agent. If you want to talk to agent, click on Yes. Otherwise, close the window and follow the next step, which is reset Windows Update cache. We would recommend to use a downloadable file because this method is an easier one. Go to the video description and click on this link. This will download a zip file in your default browser. Click on this folder icon. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. Right click on this batch file. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Press any key on your keyboard. Again hit any key on the keyboard. Close the running window and restart your computer. After restarting, try to install the update. You can manually reset Windows Update cache using these commands. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. On the command prompt, run these commands. Copy the first line of the command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the third line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Type Y and press enter. In the same way, run all these commands and restart your computer after closing these tasks. Then check for updates. Here you will find check for updates button. Click on that. If still the issue persists, then uninstall third-party antivirus from your computer. Right click on the start button. Select installed apps. Find antivirus in the list. To be fair, I have not installed an antivirus. I am showing you an example here how to install the antivirus. Suppose this is antivirus. Then click on three dots. Click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall on the confirmation pop-up. Click on yes. Follow on screen instructions. If any wizard appears, then restart your computer and check for updates. Run system files checker and DISM restore health tool. Click on search, type CMD, select run as administrator, click on yes. This is system files checker command. Copy this command from the description, paste it to the command prompt and press enter. After running this command, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Close the command prompt and close the all other running tasks. Restart your computer and then check for updates. If any of the methods don't work, you will have to run in place upgrade. Open your browser. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on download Windows 11. Go to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on the select download drop down. Select this one. Click on download now. Select the product language. Check what is the display language of your system. Click on start. Settings. Go to time and language. Language and region. Windows display language is English United States. Click on choose one. Select English United States. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. After downloading, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads. Right click on the downloaded ISO file. Select Mount. Click on Open on the Open File Security warning. Right click on setup.exe. Select Open. Click on Yes. And check this option. Click on Next. Click on Accept. After checking for updates is finished, click on Install here and wait for the installation to complete. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.